Hi folks, Detection Dog School clients and prospective clients. I wanted to show you my dog Sting, who's a Belgian Malinois, and one of his training techniques is for him to be evidence search trained, which is a police function, and he is to find anything that's touched by human unusual to the environment, and he's to discriminate against all other things. So his primary motivators are ball and ball play, and also bite and bite pillows and bite suits. So we put out about 60 or 70 of these out, and then I've got 2 people that he has had no contact with to go and pick up rocks out of the garden and throw them out, and he was to find them. So 2 different people's objects with 2 different people's odour on them, and he must discriminate against all other things. I thought this would be a bit of fun and also a nice way for me to showcase some of the stuff that we can do at Detection Dog School. Have a great day and stay safe. Are you ready? Fun test. You'll need to confirm for me when he finds one of your articles, please. I'll believe him, but I just want confirmation that there are a lot of balls out as well. Sting, this way, search it up. Got somebody's article, yes? Okay, cool. And you had a little rock. Beautiful. As you can see, he's discriminating against everything else that's out there, all being touched by humans, and they are distractors, and they're also his primary motivators. So he knows he must search and find something before he's going to get rewarded when he's allowed to then have a ball.
Yep.
As you can see, he's marking the area. No matter what I do to him, he'll stay marking the area until I reward. There's our second article. And you can see he loves balls. It's not about, he's not allowed to have the balls, he just realises he must search first. And that's part of the training that we're taught him. Forget distractions, forget everything else, discriminate, find what we need to find, then you can have the play. Hi Cass, how you going? Have you ever seen anything like that where somebody's showing you a dog straight off the bat, where you've gone out and put out your odour and then they've got out 60 or 70 other things of motivation and distraction that the dog must discriminate against and only find your odour or somebody else's that the dog was never introduced to?
Nope, not seen that before.
What do you think?
I thought it was pretty cool, especially for the last nearly 2 weeks I've been around the property walking past. I didn't think that he was actually going to pick up my rock due to that, but he did. So it was pretty cool to see.
Hi Madison. Have you ever seen anything like that before with an evidence search where a dog has to find an object that's touched by a human unusual to the environment with so much distraction and motivation available, but he must search first and find it?
Nah, I've never seen anything like it. That was pretty incredible to see how accurate he was too.
And did anyone cheat by using anything other than your object, which he never took a scent of you?
No cheating involved whatsoever. It was incredible to see.
Thank you.